That's not funny.
VlogBuddies here, guys. Itong i-witness sa mga VlogBuddies.
Take this shot. Alright, so we have our microphones here, guys. Alright, so you can go ahead, greet everyone here.
Ay, hello po sa lahat ng mga taga Cebu. Hello po.
We'd like to thank, of course, first and foremost for being here with us. I know you have very...
Hi everyone, my name is Azarcon and I have a med school channel. I have a channel for med students. So I personally started vlogging because I wanted to share my life as a med student and now as a doctor. And also because I know that there are a lot of aspiring med students in the Philippines as well. So I wanted to share some info to them. Tapos eventually na-enjoy ko na rin siya. So aside from med school stuff, nagba-branch out na rin ako to my personal life. Ayun. So, masaya.
I can see that. Talagang you are smiling the whole time while you're sharing to us your vlog experiences. Anyone else who'd like to share to us why you started doing what you do now?
Hello po, I'm Baninay Bautista. I am now a full-time vlogger, you know. Yeah. And like English. Yeah. I started vlogging when I went out from PBB because I want to introduce myself to the online world. Like I wanna because I have no TV episodes like that. I have nothing to do. I can go to school that time because I dropped. That's not funny. Charot. But
So you made this as your career now, right?
yeah, I made this as my career now because you know I can entertain people. I can show myself to the world, not show like you know.
Your personal.
Alright, hello po. I'm Nicolai po. Pinagpapawisan ako. Kinakabahan tuloy ako. Oh my gosh, natatense ako. Pero yun, share ko lang paano ako nag-start mag-vlog. Bigyan din ako ng konting background sa akin before. I used to manage talaga vloggers. Then, eventually, I started also my own YouTube channel. Kasi gusto ko rin naman mag-share ng stories. Yun yung pinaka-gusto. Gusto ko i-share yung stories ko. Gusto ko rin parang lahat na ginagawa ko, makikip ko siya. Kasi pag nag-vlog tayo, parang we wanted to keep it forever. Dyan may makakapanood.
Yeah, so you can...
Parang online diary ko na rin yung YouTube channel.
You can look back on it.
Yes. So, ayun, and now, I left my job and now focus as a full-time vlogger na rin.
What's the difference now that you left your job and focus on that?
Siguro yung sa time, mas hawak ko yung time ko ngayon and mas marami kong time also with my friends and family ngayon. Compare dati. Yeah.
How about you, Ben?
Hello guys! You know what, sobrang hindi ko in-expect na a lot of people would vlog. And sino ba yung nakapanood ng mga vlogs ko? Alam niyo guys, so kung nanonood kayo ng vlog ko, you already know who inspired me to vlog in the first place, right? Actually, I want to give Baninay kasi siya talaga yung nag-push sa akin to vlog. Sabi ko sa kanya, we sort of like share the same goal, which is we share the same... Mabawi.
Ano kikilig mo?
Kasi we share the same goal, which is to empower the youth. And especially ngayon na you have the power to have this platform, inspire, to create content na talagang would touch people's lives. So yun talaga yung pinaka-inspiration ko why I started vlogging. So we hope nagagawa naman namin yun so far. Sana, nagagawa ba namin yan?
Yes! It's nice, no? Kasi yung audience sharing yun is really not just nationwide, di ba? Around the world.
Nice to AdSense.
I expected na parang baka sa Manila lang. But no eh, dinami talaga.
I imagine all this
exactly.
close, you guys. How about you, Bani? Can you share to us naman your...
Hey guys, I'm Bani Logroño. I'm a full-time filmmaker, part-time vlogger. I've just been filmmaking after school, after I graduated from school, and even while I was in
What
school.
did you think of, by the way?
Filmmaking. and I went here in Cebu, sa Mactan. There's a film school there, so it's good to be back in Cebu. And you know, while I'm doing the filmmaking thing, I just want to keep making more videos. So I decided to start a YouTube channel and got into vlogs. And then I met with the rest of the VlogBuddies. I learned more about the vlogging world.
First, you share to each other naman your different learning experiences along the way, right?
Yeah.
And since you said it, di ba na-form yung group nyo, can I ask Jesi how you guys?
Actually, idea ito ni Baninay. So, nung nag-share go kami, parang nagkwentuhan na kami na parang bakit hindi kami bumuo ng isang group para mas iba't ibang klaseng content kasi sa amin, like si Doc merong med school yung sabi niya, and sa channel ko more on LGBT yung
Yes, different yung objectives nyo.
Fujifilm na kinuha kami as a group, parang ay seryoso na pala yung VlogBuddies. So yun, eto na, wala na kayong choice. Wala na kayong choice.
It's nice that you've partnered with Fujifilm, di ba?
After ng Fujifilm, ang daming opportunities na dumating din sa amin.
Yeah, and it matters kasi Fujifilm yung gamit.
For quite some time now. Actually, masabi ko, it's really perfect for me because someone like me who's not very techy, hindi ko gusto yung mga nagkakalikot ng mga camera. Gusto ko, it's very convenient to use. Narinig ka ba yung sinabi ko? So yun, hindi kasi ako techy person, so I wanted something na easily maka-adapt ako sa camera. And it's really perfect because I don't have to adjust the color, I don't have to adjust the exposure. So every time na in the spur of the moment I wanted to vlog, I just open the camera and then start vlogging. Okay siya.
You won't miss out any moment.
Yeah,
Kasi ang bilis lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Easy to use. How about Baninay? Oh! Your turn now.
The best thing about this camera for me is the three-way tilt screen
Ay,
like this.
gusto ko rin yan.
Yes, you can see yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And
You can see kung paano yung sharp.
and you can automatically adjust your settings while filming, or you can easily adjust, and then you can also like what you call this? What you call this? Yeah, because you can see yourself and like the framing and all.
Yes, you can adjust.
You can adjust.
Yes, alright. That's a
Dahil puro, paliit na ng paliit, tapos parang robot na, pero ito na-sustain niya yung pagka-retro. So,
It's certainly
Kami ni Baninay. Ganda rin.
So we have three, di ba? Yung silver, yung plain black, at saka yung champagne gold. Diba? So guys, anyone else? Share to us more?
Sa akin, ang nagustuhan ko dito sa X100, actually yung mirrorless na siya. So, interchangeable yung lenses niya and very fit for us na makagawa kami ng mga creative shots na gusto namin. Kasi before, sa dating mga gamit namin cameras, it's just a point and shoot, tapos hindi siya mirrorless. So, kung ano lang yung lens na gamit namin, that's it. And we can create more creative shots. Like kay Derek. Grabe yung mga vlogs ni Derek. Dahil sa lenses na rin yun, ang ganda ng mga shots niya. And now, we can do montage na fit na dun sa mga ginagawa namin vlogs. Sumusosyal yung vlogs namin dahil sa pagpapalit-palit ng lens.
Tama. And to add to that, kasi yun nga, it's definitely an upgrade from our previous point and shoot. Kasi this time,
Yeah, can you share to us the difference?
yeah, kasi this time, meron ng interchangeable lenses. So it's perfect for me personally because I do sit-down vlogs. So gusto ko yung camera ko, yung lens ko, ang ganda-ganda dapat ng focus pag nakaupo. Pero pwede rin yung mga pang-on-the-go vlogging. And at the same time, especially when we're traveling, like for this weekend, we'll be traveling around Cebu. So we can take this to take photos as well. So parang for photos, for videos, perfect siya. And ito pa, dami. I really like that I can finally put a mic dun sa camera kasi super important ng audio. Kasi dun sa previous, palaging comment sa vlog ko, I think, Ate Au, kailangan mo na mag-upgrade ng audio, ganyan. Ako, oo nga, ito na. So finally, upgrade ko na yung audio.
Does it also filter out the noise, right?
Yeah, sobra. Mas maganda talaga.
Perfect.
For me, as a filmmaker, it's like a really impressive camera because I've used a lot of high... I'm making fun of my accent.
Upgrade din yung ano, no? Accent.